everyone, and today Frickin' Reviews joins me for this review.
What's up, everybody?
What are we reviewing today?
We're reviewing some pizza, that's right.
And we're reviewing not only a pizza, we're reviewing the new Parmesan stuffed crust Domino's Pizza.
Not a pizza, it's the pizza of the moment. That's right.
The pizza of years-long requirements, years-long expectations, and I'm super excited to try this.
What took them so long to jump on this bandwagon? It's only been about 40 years since the first stuffed crust came out, right?
I'm not sure, but the gentleman who made our pizza, an incredibly sweet guy, he said that people have been waiting years for this, and he seemed very excited that they released this, and I'm very excited to try it too.
He said, I've been here 8 years, and I've been hearing this for the whole time, so
yeah.
That's a long time.
8 years, can you believe it? And we saw him making this. It looked absolutely delicious, so let's get into it.
So tell me how much this pizza costs and more about this.
Okay, so this pizza costs $9.99 with a coupon. However, your price, depending on your location, will vary. This size is only available in medium, and you can ask for the toppings you want on it. Once this comes out of the oven, it's super neat looking because this guy took kind of like, it looked like a sort of garlic sauce, put it on the crust, and then he powdered over the Parmesan cheese. It
looks delicious.
Yes.
He took a lot of care doing that as well. I was very impressed at the meticulous nature in which he applied the toppings.
Right.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, let's get into it. I'm excited. I love pizza.
Crack it open.
So this is the box. It looks nice and aesthetically pleasing, also modern and appetizing.
There
Ta-da! That looks beautiful.
Look at that. Look at that crust.
Yes.
Look at that crust.
That crust looks amazing. You can see how the Parmesan cheese kind of just secured itself to the crust. And you can see our toppings. So we requested, obviously, cheese, sauce, but pepperoni and bacon bits.
I mean, it looks delicious.
Yes.
We even got some extra. We can like dip in on the sides over there.
Yeah. Okay.
You ready?
Yeah.
So am I. All right, grab a big old piece off there.
Yeah. Ooh, look at that.
Oh.
Woo.
Oh yeah, you got a big one.
Sorry, our first piece, but we had to do it. Look at that cheese pool.
Wow, that's a lot of cheese.
Okay.
Whoa.
That's pretty nice.
Now for the cheese pull, she just ripped in one piece and completely to shreds.
I'm eating this. I'm not wasting it.
All right, time for me to grab one here.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna grab it over here.
Okay.
It smells good.
Yes.
I can smell that Parmesan. It smells delicious.
Yeah. What are you looking forward to most with this pizza?
Yes.
Everything. Yes. Let's try the Parmesan crust first.
Okay.
Ready?
Okay.
Mmm. It's more garlicky than Pizza Hut's Parmesan crust.
It's also kind of, it's kind of soft, and it's a little bit on the, it's not real dry and crispy. Like, I've had stuffed crust where the crust itself feels like it just came out of like a 5,000 degree oven.
The cheese is very moist. It's not wet. It's moist. It's delicate. It kind of falls apart in your mouth, which is a good thing.
I'm not used to eating just the crust first, but I'm going with it.
Okay.
I'm gonna take a bite of the pizza itself.
Yeah, let's do the pizza now. I love Domino's. I think the sauce is really good. It's nice and sweet. There's a perfect balance between the toppings and the cheese. Just an overall pleasant experience every single time.
I'm gonna go back into this crust again. I got to get a better opinion of this.
Yeah.
Because one bite isn't enough.
We don't have words because it's so good. Something else also I want to point out about this pizza is the look of it. It was crafted to perfection. Shout out to the guy who made this. He did an excellent job. He knew what he was doing when he was building this pizza for us. It just tastes excellent through and through. I'm really pleased with the stuffed crust. I think it came through really delicious. It's more prominent than Pizza Hut's stuffed crust, I would say, and more prominent than Little Caesar's stuffed crust. It has more Parmesan and a garlicky flavor than Pizza Hut's does, and obviously speaking for Little Caesars as well. What do you think, Mr. Frickin'?
The flavoring is really good. The Parmesan and the garlic, and it's stuffed with mozzarella. It's like, there's not just, they didn't chintz on the cheese. It is actually stuffed.
Right.
I almost feel like the crust was almost the best part of this pizza. It was really good. So I have no complaints. I've had a lot of stuffed crust over the years. Sometimes it can kind of taste a little bit dry. Sometimes it can kind of taste like there's not anything in there.
Yeah.
This is well cooked. It's a nice amount of filling, so I think they did a great job with this.
Right. Would you say it's worth it for the price?
Well, according to our receipt, the normal price was $18.99. That seems a bit steep, but with our coupon, it dropped down almost half that, so that's a pretty good deal.
Right, and this is for a medium, mind you, too, not a large.
Great deal for $10. I would say it's about okay for $18.99.
Right. If you have that coupon, definitely invest in this. I think it's a great deal for $10, but $18, it's pushing it, definitely for sure.
But fast food's getting expensive these days anyway,
I know,
so it really
I
isn't
know.
that bad, I guess.
Yeah, $10 for this is a great deal.
It is.
So if you guys are interested, please give it a shot.
I definitely recommend it. It's good stuff.
Yes, I think honestly this might be my new favorite. It's really delicious, guys. Please go for it.
I don't know if this is going to be limited time or if this is permanent. Did they say?
I don't really know that either. If I had to expect, I'm thinking that this is going to be permanent, and I really hope it is.
I would think so.
Yeah. I'm super excited about this. If we could, I would say do a large version too, but I know you might want to stick with your medium. That's okay.
Well, they can add that in round 2, I guess.
Right. So with that, Freaking Reviews, thank you so much for joining me for this review.
Thanks for having me. I'm always happy to test out some new foods.
Yes, and this was a delight.
Yeah, I would definitely get this one again. I think that I was kind of afraid when you've never done stuffed crust before, are you going to mess it up? They didn't mess it up.
No, they didn't mess it up at all. It was really, really good. Good job, Domino's. Thank you so much.
All right.
Yeah. All right. Thank you so much, everybody. Bye.
Bye.